Selection of web hosting for Magento 2. In this lesson we will talk about options that we have on the web hosting marketplace, and we will talk what hosting we should select for Magento 2. The main thing here is that Magento is very solid and I could say enterprise level solution, and it means that $2 hosting probably won't work for you. So you need to select something specific, something Magento 2 oriented, and in scope of this lesson we will check several options. So I'm gonna open my browser, okay, and let's search for Magento 2 hosting, and I will open just a number of links from the top. Okay, and let's go one by one. So for example, A2 hosting, they say that they support Magento 2. They provide different plans, and probably it's an option to consider. The only thing that you should ask them is, or actually dig into the details, is whether they provide Magento 2 installation. This could be a pretty complicated thing for newbies, but that's the option, and it looks they support everything needed for Magento. The other option is Cloudways. Cloudways is actually a great choice. I will use Cloudways for my demonstrations, so that's my choice, so I can suggest it. It's a good option to consider. What else? We have Nextset. They also provide e-commerce web hosting for Magento. We can see. It's also, I think, worth to consider. And finally, Simple Servers. They do have some Magento-oriented plans as well. And you could see they also provide free Magento 2 installation. So that's a valuable point, especially if you won't spend efforts and dig into the details how to get this installed. Practically, the goal of this lesson is to explain you that $2 hosting won't work in most of the cases. You need something specific, you need something Magento 2 oriented. So browse around, search in Google, and select the right option. But once again, my selection is Cloudways, and according to my experience, it works pretty fine. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson where we will start Magento 2 installation.